Hi, I'm Mpati Yengwa, as Credit Risk Analyst at Sasfin Asset Managers. We have partnered with National Treasury and Renewable by Nature Fund Managers, RBN, to provide tailored financial solutions that drive business growth and job creation for small and medium enterprises. This is a Sasfin RBN Enhanced Job Creation Fund. RBN Fund Managers design customized funds that leverage blended finance strategies and advisory services to address social and environmental challenges with innovative and scalable solutions. The Sasfin RBN Enhanced Job Creation Fund provides solutions that go beyond traditional financing. We take on a hands-on approach, working closely with entrepreneurial and mid-market companies to ensure sustainable growth. The Sasfin RBN team dives deep into understanding your company's unique challenges, growth path, and financial aspirations.
Hi, I am Leo Cardiavuma, the Monitoring and Evaluation Impact Specialist at RBN Fund Managers. SMEs are the backbone of South Africa's economy. They provide employment to a significant portion of the labor force and contribute significantly to the country's GDP. We believe in their power to shape the future. Through innovative funding structures, we provide businesses with the financial support they need to expand and create jobs for the ordinary South African. We fund through various industries, including retail, agriculture, tech, manufacturing, and beyond. The impact of the Sasfin RBN Enhanced Job Creation Fund extends beyond businesses. It transforms communities. By supporting SMEs, we assist in fostering economic development, reducing unemployment, and providing South Africans with access to stable and meaningful employment. Every loan we provide is a catalyst for change, helping businesses scale and directly contributing to job creation.
The fund focuses on mid-market companies with a proven track record of at least 3 years, stable and predictable cash flow profile, and a minimum EBITDA of 10 million rand.
When SMEs grow, South Africa prospers. More businesses, more jobs, more impact.
If you're looking for a partner that supports your growth with flexibility and deep industry expertise, we look forward to engaging with you. Visit www.rbn.co.za to submit your application. Join us in shaping the future.
One job at a time.